Hey guys,
Kita kaya tayo dyan? With the DSL from...
Siya yung witness.
okay.
Iinom siya ng tubig, guys.
Nakaharap yan sa atin. Hey guys,
Kita kaya tayo dyan?
three.
Ano nangyari? Tignan mo!
Tumayo siya.
Oh my God!
Nasira yung isa.
Kita kaya?
4 seasons lang kami. Actually, pangalawa na to kasi yung
Kanina is
dapat
yung mixed berries. Ngayon, forest
And-
seasons.
Kinantok na ako. Tingnan mo po.
LAX will dream in my cardigan. Sana masarap tong 4 seasons. Gagawin ko na. My cardigan. Welcome to the love where it says, I'm alive. This is the second. Yung juice ngayon eh, kaysa sa ano. Ay, lumubog. Lasa ang kamay ko na to. Okay lang yan. Re-refill natin yung ice. Guys. Where are you in
Ma-over. Gano'n ako sasama kita, sinabi ko. Sabi ko, as in, di joke.
Patayin ko ba to?
Ikaw. Pati.
Ito guys.
Yan, kanta ko dito.
We wish for her,
Sobrang talaga.
good love life. And I wish for a person who will take care of her and love her.
Hey guys.
Kumakain kami ng ano. Ano kinakain natin? King crab. Pakita yung king crab natin. King crab!
Medyo tinipid.
Diba? King crab yan, guys. Hot dogs. And our ulam last night.
Vicky pala yung ano.
Which is, ano daw, tokwat baboy. It's like sisig, guys, but creamy sisig. Because there's milk in the mixture and the sauce, right? And hot dogs and sinangag. Yeah. And see, you will be my heart. With the DSM from last night. We're back, guys, from Moonwalk, Palengke. Tapos bumili kami ng pizza, pancit canton, and sardines, and Angel's burger. And now we're here.
Parang ito na yung final.
Para sa pangarap.
Ganyan lang.
We're gonna swim, right?
No.
What time
pero
is
like walang waves and such like sand.
What time is it?
31.
8:31.
No.
Here kami, guys.
Guys.
Look. We're gonna swim, guys. Because everyone is going to the beach, like La Union. Hi,
Today,
vlog.
let me add.
So we're swimming
We're at
tonight.
SMDC.
And we're gonna drink later.
The chlorine.
Actually, chlorine yung chaser.
Okay. Sino magsi 0.5?
And last,
Basa yung
a while
kamay ko.
ago, we
Parang
cooked
ikaw
chop
talaga
suey.
yung nakatadhana
Pero
dyan.
naging sopas siya.
Kasi
Chop suey na naging sopas, guys.
yung case ko. Bye guys.
Okay lang ako nga pagod ulo eh.
Already what?
3:40.
3:40 a.m. And we just finished drinking. And we're gonna go to Alfamart to buy somewhat
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Ice cream ni Dani.
So, join us in this journey.
Join us as we tackle the most dangerous adventure of all time.
It's so dark. We can't see anything.
Maganda.
Parang mas maganda yan. Mas maraming facial expression. 7-Eleven
ganun pala
pa.
yun. Go. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven na lang
Hi, guys.
pala, not Alpha Mart.
Ay, 7-Eleven?
We had change of
Yun ang 7-Eleven.
plans, change of mind. That's Alpha Mart. Where is it? There. The Alpha Mart is there. We should speak in English, guys.
Alpha Mart.
English only, cha.
Alpha Martyr.
Okay. But ito yun.
Sorry naman kasi.
Okay lang ba? Nadulas ako.
Buti, gumanon siya.
Nag-rolling in na din.
Hi. Uy. Oh my God, there's so many cats.
Kaya mag-away.
Mag-aaway yan.
Tara na.
Tira mo yan.
Sa TikTok.
Don't fight, guys. Ay, face to face.
Pasok ko isa din.
Zoom mo.
Yeah, yung isa din. Yun nandun. Oh.
Ay, yung witness.
Okay.
Parang puffer fish. He's going
Willing
home
to.
na, guys.
My
You
guys.
should bring food and pasalubong from QC naka-hoodie. Ay, ingat. Ay,
Bye
sila
guys.
na ang second na mai-evict.
Bye!
Goodbye, guys.
Uy, ayaw ayaw ka rin palabasin. Ayaw oh.
Dalawang lang kasi yung double.
Ayan.
Goodbye. Ingat kayo.
Bye!
Ingat kayo.
Ingat ka dyan mag-isa. Sa magpapagutom. Sana may makain ka palagi.
Oo, eh.